So this is Dihessa Bodjona, and a few years back I first heard of the term law of attraction, and the idea of my thoughts creating my reality tickled me to death. Think about it. For me, it felt like I was sleeping all those years and all of a sudden I woke up. All of a sudden it felt to me like I wasn't so powerless. Except I very quickly became disillusioned. Why? Because I realized then that sometimes some of the things that I wanted to manifest with my thoughts will become reality, but most of the times they didn't. And that went on for years until I encountered my own teachers' trainings about energies and realized that it was all about energy. And realize that, in fact, for us to be able to powerfully utilize the law of attraction to our advantage, it comes back to our physical body. It comes back to certain energies in our body being aligned towards our goals and towards our vision. I have since then utilized these energy principles to manifest amazing things in my life, including more joy in my life, more fulfillment, healed relationships in my life, trips to places I only dreamt of visiting before, tremendous growth in my business. And I have no doubt that had it not been for the fact that I finally got acquainted to these principles of energy and applied them in my life, that I will probably still be visualizing and being disillusioned, that I will probably still be praying about it and not taking action, that I will still be putting goals and vision on a pedestal somewhere so far away from me that I wouldn't feel like it was attainable for me. I decided to make a 4-part video series right here on YouTube where I will share with you how to align all these energies in your body so that you can take your power back if you are currently feeling like the way that I felt back then. Stay tuned. All right, now let's get into it. So when I first personally encountered the law of attraction, I thought it was all about thoughts. I thought it was all about thinking. But then I now realize that it is so much more than that. I now realize that for us to be able to powerfully create anything of our choice in our lives, there are certain other elements that come into place, specifically certain energies in our body that are actually reflected in our thoughts, in our emotions, and in our actions. And in fact, for us to be able to powerfully create, manifest a goal or a vision in our life that we have chosen, our physical actions, our emotional actions, our mental actions, our energies actions must all be in one direction towards that goal, towards that vision. But what often happens is that from our past experiences or from our generational experiences, we create conflicts between those actions, which in turn makes it pretty impossible for us to attain that goal, attain that vision that we have for ourselves. And so this is video number 1 of the series. And in this series, what I'm going to be doing is sharing my own experience of aligning these actions in my own life, how the energies in my body have played a role in me finally becoming very, very, very confident in my power of creation. The first one I'm going to talk about in this video is physical action and the corresponding energies in our body that makes it possible or not possible. So the first energies we are going to be talking about is our physical energy, also our magnetic energy. Just like I said at the beginning of this video, when I first encountered the law of attraction, I thought it was all about thoughts and visualization. I quickly realized that alone wasn't enough, right? Especially if your magnetic energies are weak, which was my case. So no matter how much I learned the power of manifestation through the law of attraction, no matter how much I knew the principles, the mere fact that my magnetic energies at the time were very weak made it very, very hard for me to manifest all the things that I was dreaming about. So how did my magnetic energies become weak? For me personally, it was a combination of several things. One of them being the fact that for all my entire life, I rejected being a woman. Why? Because growing up, the way that I saw the culture I grew up in, it felt to me like being a woman was so powerless that men had all the power. So all my entire life, I tried the hardest possible to reject my femininity. Our magnetic power is really located around those reproductive areas in our physical body. And so for me, the way that it showed up in my life was how frequently I was having infections like yeast infections, bladder infections, lower back aches, and what else? Hemorrhoids sometimes. And also I had almost zero focus, right? I couldn't focus. I couldn't focus enough on a goal to make it a reality. In my mind, I was daydreaming all the time. I had all these dreams about what I wanted my life to be like, what I wanted to create in my life. But because I was lacking that power, but because I was so weak in my magnetic energies, it was close to impossible for me to actually materialize in the physical realm. And wouldn't you know, as soon as I started strengthening that magnetic energy inside of my body, everything changed. I became more focused. I was taking action like gangbuster, and the rest is history. So how do you strengthen your magnetic energy? Again, like I said earlier, it is really about your lower abdomen. It's located around your lower abdomen. The energy is literally something. It is a thing that you can feel in your body. And I created a video for you where I shared the exact exercise that helped me start recovering my magnetic power. And so in this video, I talked a lot about one of the elements that have to align, which was your magnetic power, our magnetic power. In the next video, I am going to be sharing with you about emotional power or emotional action. So if you are interested in seeing this video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post that video. See you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post videos just like this one. Bye.